From fresh onion fields and aromatic spices to the heart of the factory, this is how millions of crispy onion pakoras are made every day. Through perfect frying, quality inspection, and fast packaging, these crispy onion pakoras are prepared in bulk for millions of people. Excess batter removed by vibration screens for perfect coating.
Quality sampling from every batch for taste and crispiness.
Welcome to the operator training simulator. This is the virtual process. Note the safety zones and pressure readings. Acknowledge the alert.
Final checklist complete.
Seals verified.
Quanti matches.
Ready for transfer.
Operation complete. Final quality check for the Pakora batch.
Next batch ready. Scan can confirm. Stocking these fresh onion pakoras now.
Arranging the display for the counter.
10 pakoras, please. Hot and fresh. They look amazing.
Fresh Pakoras, please. They look delicious. Thank you.
Customer feedback is helping us maintain our taste and crispiness.
Excellent. This data shows clear, even better results.
$10 million pakoras! This calls for a celebration. Perfect for events, these bulk pakoras. Plating them now for quick service.
Ready to go.
Supporting farmers creates jobs and feeds communities.
Factory work drives our economy.
Make goods people, building prosperity.
Pakoras are a beloved Indian snack, especially families together, creating moments of joy and connection.
85. Innovation and flavors.
Revolutionizing packaging.
Healthier options for tomorrow.
This dish is a global hit among the Indian diaspora and food lovers everywhere.
I love it.
Millions of people enjoying crispy onion pakoras every day.